My name is MC Connor.
I'm Jenna Ingrisano.
I'm Doug Seiler.
Samantha Conrad.
My name is Ricky Fife.
Amanda Fahrenkopf.
My name is Victor Danielian, and I am an implementation consultant with B2W Software.
Every single implementation project is essentially tailor-made.
Start with an introduction from sales. We roll into more of like a discovery of figuring out exactly what the customer needs.
Sales to implementation, implementation to training, building a database, setting up the integrations and so on.
But then we tailor and change the approach based on the individual customer.
We're not taking the client and fitting the client into our software. We're taking our software and enhancing what the client already has.
We really learn where the customer wants to go with the product and understand their business, their processes, and what's important to them, what's their desired result.
We meet together, we talk about stuff, and you can see the implementation goes just through.
The more that you can teach us about your particular business so that we can give you the same energy back and really form something together.
I think my implementation team is a bunch of rock stars. We really just work well together.
We all come from a wide range of experiences and backgrounds.
I actually come from a heavy highway civil construction background.
Some of us have been in corporate operations and in finance.
So it's really just this diverse set of skills that everybody puts together, and the atmosphere is awesome, and we all help. You can feel the team there, that's what it is, yeah.
You'll find somebody on our team that's willing to help and make it happen. I think we're a very collaborative bunch.
There's one central person, but for special needs, they will pull people in to help out.
Being able to build off of your peers like that, just really, it creates a special energy around the workplace.
For me, establishing personal relationship with a customer is very important.
I love my job. I love getting to meet new customers.
I'm always learning from my customers. My customers are always learning from me.
Kind of learning process never really stops.
There's constantly an exchange going on, and it keeps it really lively and fun.
It is rewarding to walk an organization from the infancy of adoption all the way to being a champion of B2W.
A client is always going to be successful with us if they are my partner in the implementation.